Good morning, my dear students. We will start today the revision. Okay, revising the lessons. We have already completed the syllabus. We have done our periodic and the half-yearly portion, isn't it? So now let's do the revision. First lesson onwards. Lesson 1, the sentence. We'll start revising. Okay, all of you see the book. The sentence. What is sentence? Can you tell me what is sentence? Sentence is a group of words which make complete sense by itself. Sentence is a group of words which make complete sense by itself. Now, let's see ahead. Read aloud the following groups of words. Here are the groups of words, jumbled words and sentence. An hour, I met ago her. Then in sentence, I met her an hour ago. Jumbled words. Visited we Germany we last. In sentence, we visited Germany last week. Jumbled words. Tails long have monkeys do. Sentence. Do monkeys have long tails? Hot. It is today how. This is the jumbled word. Then in sentence, how hot it is today. The words in the left column do not make sense. The same words in the right column make sense. That is because the words in the right column have been placed in their proper order. Such groups of words are called sentence. So here just now we have seen the group of words. We heard the definition also. Sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. But here we have seen just now the group of words. Okay. Jumbled words and the sentence. We have seen the difference between jumbled words and the sentence, isn't it? In jumbled words also there are so many words. It is also the group of words, but it does not make complete sense. In the right column, let's see, in the left column, in the left column do not make sense. Whatever jumbled word is given in left column, it does not make any sense because it is not in proper order, it is not in proper place. But what is written in right column, that makes complete sense, and that is called sentence because the words are placed in order or in proper place. Simply the group of words cannot make sentence if it is not in order. Okay? So let's see ahead. Remember, what you have to remember is that a sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, comma, a question mark or an exclamation mark. So sentence begins with a capital letter, then ends with full stop and comma, question marks and exclamation mark. Okay. Next, a sentence must must have a verb in it. So sentence must have verb in it. If there is no verb, sentence is not completed. It does not make sense if there is no verb. So there should be verb in a sentence. Okay? First number, put a tick against the group of words which are sentence. A cross against those which do not make sense. So let's see. We have to put tick mark against the group of words which are sentence and cross mark against those which do not make sense. First number, Gutenberg was a poor man. This is making a complete sense, isn't it? So put tick mark. Second number, scared cow animal, the is a. This is also the group of words but does not make sense. It is not in proper order. So put cross mark. Third number, why is she smiling? This is the sentence. It is in proper order. So put tick mark. Number 4, cite what a beautiful is it? These groups of words. Okay. This is also the group of words, but it does not make sense. It does not make complete sense. So put cross mark. Number 5. The postman brought this parcel. So there is a sense. It is the complete sentence. So put tick mark. Now next, second number. Groups of words that make partial sense are called phrase. Partial means part of sentence. Okay. Example, all of a sudden across the street in a few days. So these are the phrases. A phrase is different from a sentence because it does not have capital letters, it does not have punctuation, it does not have a verb. Thus we see that a phrase do not make complete sense. Let us use the phrase given above in sentences to make complete sense. So you can see here the difference between phrase and sentence. Phrase does not have the capital letter, punctuation mark and verb, and there is no meaning in it. It does not make complete sense. Okay, but sentence have the capital letter, punctuation mark, question mark or exclamation mark or full stop, and sentence have a verb. Okay, did you understand? So there is a difference between phrase and sentence. There is a difference between sentence and phrase. Is that clear to you? Okay. Now turn the page. Remember, what you have to remember is that a verb adds meaning to the sentence. So verb adds meaning to the sentence. Let's see the example. She fell down all of a sudden. Verb fell. Next, we live across the street. Verb live. They will return in a few days. Verb returns. verb is very important in the sentence. If there is no verb, then sentence will not be completed. There will not be any meaning. Are you understanding? Yeah. So, it is necessary to put verb in a sentence. Okay? Verb only makes complete sense. Verb adds the meaning. Okay? So second exercise. Pick out the sentences from below by putting a tick against them. Okay, first number, on the chair. Is it sentence? No, it is not the sentence. It is phrase. Second number, in the end. This is also the phrase. Next, number 3, all that glitters is not gold. It is a sentence. It makes complete sense. So put tick mark. Number 4, it is a holiday today. This is also a sentence. So put tick mark. Number 5, will you stop talking? This is also sentence. Put tick mark. Number 6, hooray, we have won the match. This also makes complete sense. So it is sentence. Put tick mark. Number 7, Gutenberg invented the printing press. This is also the sentence. So put tick mark. Number 8, the sun sets in the west. Sentence is complete and there is meaning. So put tick mark and put full stop also there. Okay. Number 9, writes well. It is not the sentence but phrase. Number 10, to sleep early. It is also not the sentence. It is phrase. Now let's move ahead. Number 3, subject and predicate. So let's know about subject and predicate. Every sentence is made up of 2 parts. So every sentence is made up of 2 parts. There is 2 parts in a sentence. Okay. First number, the subject. What is subject? Let's know. The subject is the person, animal or thing we speak about. So subject is the person, animal or thing we speak about. Second number, the predicate. The predicate is what we say about the subject. So what is predicate? The predicate is what we say about the subject. Okay, that is called predicate. Third number, the predicate always contains a verb. So predicate always contains a verb. Okay. Look at the sentence given below. Here in this box the sentence is given. Let's see. Subject and predicate. First number, the fire's dog is barking. Is barking. The fierce dog is barking. Predicate. Okay. Second number, I have passed the examination. I is the subject here, then have passed the examination. That is the predicate. Number 3, we went on a picnic. We is the subject, then went on a picnic is the predicate. Okay. We can find the subject by finding the verb and asking the question who or what. So here you have to understand. We can find the subject. How we can find the subject? By finding the verb, we can find the subject by finding the verb. Okay? And asking the question who or what. Otherwise it is difficult to find the subject. How we can find the subject? By finding the verb and asking the question who or what. Okay? In sentence number 1, who is barking? The answer is the dog. So, the dog is the subject. In first sentence, what is that? Who is barking? If we ask the question, who is barking? Then the answer we find is that the dog. So, the dog is the subject. Okay. Remember, verbs like is and are, have, was, were, etc. will always be in the predicate column. So, verbs are always be in the predicate column. It will not come in subject column. Okay. So, please remember. Now, 3 number. Divide the following sentences into subject and predicate. Now we have to divide the sentences in predicate and subject. Okay. First number. The girl sang well. So underline it. The girl is the subject. Sang well. Predicate. Second number. Our house is round the corner. Our house, subject. Then is round the corner, predicate. Number 3, ants spoiled the picnic. Okay. Ants spoiled the picnic. So ants is subject. Spoiled the picnic, predicate. Number 4. We were very late for the film. We is the subject. Were very late for the film is the predicate. Number 5. My right eye is twisting. Okay. My right eye is twisting. So, my right eye, that is the subject, is twisting, is predicate. Number 6, the book with the yellow cover is torn. So, the book with the yellow cover, till that is the subject, then is torn. Is predicate. Next one, number 7. The flowers in the vase. The flowers in the vase. Okay, not vase. Vase are called marigolds. The flowers in the vase. Okay, that is subject are called marigolds. Predicate. Number 8. The shop in the corner has the best cookies. The shop in the corner, that is the subject, has the best cookies is predicate. Did you do it? Okay. So next page. Object of the verbs. Let's see. Read the sentences given below. The subject in each sentence has been highlighted. Okay. Radharani plays cricket. So Radharani is the subject. So it is highlighted. Okay. This shop sells wrapping paper. This shop is subject. Then here, Sophia saw the giant. So Sophia is subject. Okay. Now read each sentence once again and ask the question what or who after the verb doing word. We will get another noun as an answer as in. Okay. Let's read here. Radharani plays what? Radharani plays what? Cricket. Second noun. This shop sells what? Wrapping paper is the answer. Sophia saw whom? The giant is the answer. Okay. The noun which replies to the question what or who asked after the verb is known as the object of the verb. So please remember this. What is that? The noun which replies to the question what or who asked after the verb is known what? As the object of the verb. When we ask the question what and whom, okay, then what happens? After the verb and we get the answer that is known as the object of the verb. Okay. When we ask the question what and whom, then whatever we get the answer is the object of the verb. Okay? Is that clear to you? Alright. Let's move ahead. Fill in the subject, verb and object in the correct column in the table after reading these sentences. So we have to fill up the subject, verb and object after reading these sentences. Okay. First one. Lalit could solve the sum. Second one. Ravi Shankar played the sitar. Number 3. My father can fly an aeroplane. Number 4. The dog stole the bone. Number 5. I have lost one of my earrings. Number 6. We sang all the old songs. Number 7. Priya ate of the last mango. So Priya ate of the last mango. Number 8. The parents meet the principal. Actually, this is the wrong sentence. Okay, the parents met the principal here. Okay, so you will fill up here, fill up the column subject, verb and object of the verb. So please see, subject is here Lalit. Lalit, Ravi Shankar, then what? My father, the dog, earrings, not earrings, sorry, I, then we, Priya, parents, the parents. These are the subjects. Then in verb, let's see, could solve, played, can fly, stole, lost, sang, ate up and met. And in the object of the verb, the sum, the sitar, an aeroplane, the ball, one of my earrings. The next one, the old songs, the last mango, the principal. So these are the object of the verb. Okay, have you done it? Alright, so let's move ahead. Kinds of sentences. Assertive, second is interrogative, third imperative and exclamatory. So here 4 types of sentences are given. Okay. We have learned that a group of words that makes complete sense is called sentence. Already we have learned the words which make complete sense is called sentence, isn't it? Let's see ahead. Type of sentence, functions and examples. First number, assertive or declarative sentence. Functions are states of declares or a fact. Okay. What is the function of assertive sentence? States or declares a fact. Talks about the fact. Example. The sun rises in the east. My father is an artist. Next one. It rained in the evening. So showing the fact, talking about the fact. Okay. Next. Assertive declarative sentence end with a full stop. So assertive or declarative sentence ends with a full stop. Alright. Next one is interrogative sentence. What is the function of interrogative sentence? Ask questions. Okay. So interrogative sentence asks the questions. Let's see the example. Who are you? Where do you live? Are you hungry? So asking the question. Alright. Interrogative sentence and with the sign of interrogation or question mark. Interrogative sentence ends with a question mark or interrogation mark. Okay. Understood? Now turn the page. Number 3. Imperative sentence. What is the function of imperative sentence? Let's read. Gives order or commands or make request or gives advice. So in imperative sentence, what happens? Makes a request or give advice or gives an order or commands. This is the function of imperative sentence. Okay, let's see the example. Be quiet. Shut the door. Come here. Give me your book. Please, may I come in? Could you help me, please? Don't eat roadside food. Brush your teeth before you sleep. Don't talk with your mouth full. So these are the examples of imperative sentence. Understood? Okay. Now number 4, exclamatory. So exclamatory sentence. We are going to learn about exclamatory sentence, which is the function of it. What are the functions? Let's see. Expresses sudden strong feeling. So function of exclamatory is expresses the strong feeling. Okay. Sudden strong feeling. Example. Help, help. How wonderful. Look, a rainbow. Surprising, isn't it? So exclamatory sentence and with the sign of a exclamation mark. So exclamatory sentences ends up with exclamation mark. It ends up with exclamation mark. Is that clear to you? Okay, so let's move ahead. Now we'll do exercise 1. Classify the following sentences and say what kind they are. First number, what a lovely rainbow. Which type of sentence is this? Exclamatory sentence. So write down exclamatory sentence. Second number, may I come in please? This is requesting, isn't it? So which type of sentence? Imperative sentence. Which type of sentence? Imperative sentence. May I come in please? Okay. Let's see. Okay. Now next one, number 3. Do not spit on the road. This is also imperative sentence. Number 4. Give me your eraser. Imperative sentence. Number 5. The sun sets in the west. This is the assertive sentence or declarative sentence. Number 6. Why is he shouting? This is interrogative sentence. Number 7. Police, police. Exclamatory sentence. Number 8. Shut the window. Imperative sentence. Take this medicine twice a day. Declarative or assertive sentence. Number 10. I like reading. This is also assertive or declarative sentence. So, we have done exercise 1. Now, move to exercise 2. Write, first number, write 2 assertive or declarative sentence each beginning with the following words. So, 2 assertive sentence you have to write beginning with the word I will make what? You can make here. I will make food for you. That is also assertive sentence. Okay. Or I will make tea. Did you understand? So these are the sentences. Next, my mother. My mother is beautiful, you can write. Or my mother loves me. Okay, next, second number, write 2 interrogative sentence each beginning with who. You can use who are you. Okay, next, what is your name? Number 3, write 2 imperative sentence each beginning with order. Okay, open the door. Then leave this place immediately. Next, number 4, write 2 exclamatory sentence each beginning with how. How wonderful. Okay, how wonderful is this dress? Or oh, what will you say? Oh, oh, what a lovely picture. Alright. So these are the, or you can use any other sentence also. Okay. Next, here oral exercises. This you can do it by yourself. Make the following sentences interrogative, exclamatory or imperative. Okay. The number take a partner, say a sentence. Your partner must identify the type of sentence you are set. Repeat the exercise. So these are the exercises you can do with your partner, with your friends. Okay. So please read the lesson again and learn well. Unless you read the lesson, you will miss some of the things. You will not be knowing. Okay. So revise the lesson and prepare for your exam. The lesson is over. Thank you. See you.